Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So welcome back again. Before and after lunch, we have math periods today. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So children, we have completed how many questions in our last class? Till question
Till
20. Till question number 20.
Till question number 20.
Two more.
Question number 20.
Only two more question left or two more? I think yes. Two more question. Then we can finish our 6.1. So, okay, 6.1. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now who is going? Harsha, please read question number 21. Can you?
Yes, ma'am. 3,826 chocolates are distributed equally among 4 friends. Will there be any chocolates left undistributed? Find out without actual division.
Okay, find out without actual division means what we have to use? Divisibility rules. Okay, we have to.
Use divisibility.
Only Blisswin is from our class. So children, which is the number 3826 chocolates are distributed and we have to give to 4 people. So what we have to do, Adil? Adil, can you please unmute? Unmute Adil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So given which number? 3,826 should be distributed to 4 friends. Will there be any chocolates left? Left means what will be? Is there will be any remainder? Okay. If there is any remainder, that means that number is not divisible by 4. Okay. Is there any connection problem why this camera is going on and off? Brightlin? This Bhagyasri 1A and okay, Devak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what we have to do? Question number 21.
Divisibility rule.
Divisibility rule of 4. So what do you mean by divisibility rule of 4?
Last 2 digits should
last
be
two
divisible by 4.
By 4 or the
Or
last 2 digits should be?
Or should be zero. Both digits
both
should be
be
0.
Okay. So here the last 2 digits. Which is the last 2 digits? 20?
26.
Okay. Last 2 digit that is 26. And can you tell me is this divisible by 4?
No.
No. Why? Because 26
Last 2
it is not divisible by 4. It's not in the table of 4. In the table of 4 we know 20, 24, then it comes 28. So this is not divisible by 4. That means there will be some chocolates left. Okay. There will be some chocolates left undistributed. Find out without actual division. So no need to find out the how many numbers are remaining. That means no need of actual division. So what we have to do? You have to use only the divisibility rules. Okay. So can we do that question number 21? Okay, children, please take question number 21. I think
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yes, mute. Connection problem, children. Those who got connection, they are going again joining. Okay, we will use. So we have question number 21. Children, question number 21. Question number 21. Page number 61. Page number Page number 61. So we have to write whether it is divisible by 4. Some connection problem is there. Rohit, can you see the board? Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So question number 21, we are going to write the divisibility rule of 4. So we can write together, all of you. In which is the given number 3826. 3826 in 3826. The number formed so in 3826, the number formed by the number formed by last 2 digits. The number formed by last 2 digits is 26. And 26 is not divisible by 4. 26 is not divisible by 4. So this number is not divisible by 4. So 3826 is not divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Hence, some chocolates will be left undistributed. The question is whether there will be some chocolates left undistributed. Since this is not divisible by 4, since this given number is not divisible by 4, that means it is not divisible means there will be some numbers remaining. Some numbers left undistributed. Hence, some chocolates will be left undistributed. Undistributed. Madhav, completed? Please unmute and speak. Completed? Finished? Okay. So children, here the number formed by the last 2 digits is 26 and this is not divisible by 4. That means there will be some chocolates that will be left after distribution. After distribution, there will be some chocolates undistributed. All of you completed?
No, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, can you please share screen one
Yes,
more
ma'am.
time?
Join, please.
Okay, yes.
You're a bit late.
Number formed
Write fast. Okay, Anusri,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read question number 22?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 22.
In a library, there are 5,26,000.
It's only 5-digit number. 5-digit number only. 56,000, 52,000.
52,623 books. How many books are there in each row if they are arranged in 2, 5, 6, 9, and 10 rows? Will some books be left over in the arrangements?
Okay, will there be some left over in the arrangements? So, we can use divisibility rule, but if you want to know how many numbers, okay, how many numbers you have to actually divide and find the answer. So we have to form a table, number of rows, number of books in each row, and number of books that is remaining. So here the library have how many books? 52,623. We are going to arrange these books in rows, in shelves. So if they are arranged in 2, 5, 6, 9, and 10 rows, will some books be left over in the arrangement? If you say yes or no, means we can see, we can check only the divisibility rules. But if you want to actually write the answer, what you have to do? You have to divide. Okay, children, can we do together?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yes, yes. What's that? Let me check. Okay, it's better. We'll take 1 minute. Okay, children, please wait. Chinmay, can you see the easy board? Chinmay, please unmute and speak. Yes. Okay, Anthony, can you see the board?
I can see the EC board.
Okay. So question number 22. All of you, you can take question number 22. We can write as a box number of rows. We are going to draw one table. Okay, children. Number of rows and number of books in each row. Number of books in each row. Number of books in each row and number of books that remain. Number of books that remain. So number of rows means we have to arrange these. If there are 2, 5, 6, 9 and 10 rows. So number of rows is 2 means you have to divide the given number. What is that given number? 52,623. When you divide by 2, how many rows you are getting? That means you have to divide and find out. And if there is any remainder, that you have to write it on here. So children, what you have to do? You have to first write all these table. Then finally we will do division. Okay, so first we have 5. 5 rows means the given number 52,623 should be divided by 5. And same number. How many rows? 6 rows means you have to divide the given number by 6. And 9 divided by 9, same number. The number is not changed. Okay, in the library the total number of books is the same. That is why 52,623, but the number of rows, they are different. And the last one, we have to arrange these books in number of 10. That is also 52,623 divided by 10. Children, what you have to do? You have to draw this table and divide by 2, find out the answer. Write the quotient where number of books in each row. In the second column, you have to write the quotient. The quotient means the answer after division. And how much number is remaining, that you have to write it in the last box. So you can use your rough book. Okay, you can use your rough book. Why we are using the same dividend? Because the number in the library, that is same.
Ma'am, can you share the screen once again? Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Yes, I am going to share the screen. Please, what I am saying. What you have? Why the number is same? Because in the library, the number of books, they remain same. The number of books is not different, but what is changing? Number of rows. Number of rows means the divisor is changing. And you have to find the answer in the second. Blesswin, what?
Ma'am, somebody is sharing the screen. Let's win.
Blesswin, what are you doing there? Okay, children, do alone, all of you. Please, I'm going to share the screen. Okay, here, children, you have to write the quotient. And here you have to write the answer. I'm going to ask one by one. First, start with divide by 2. Here, I'll change the number of books. This the row, I will make it little more big. Because I want to write the answer, that is the quotient here in the second table. Here we have to write number of books that remain. Number of books. Number of books that remain. Okay, so I will ask one by one. Anusri, Yes, you can tell me the answer. 52,623 divided by 2. What is the quotient? Yes. Unmute and speak. Mm. 1 minute, one more minute.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes. Tell me the
The
quotient.
quotient is 26,311.
Okay, 2. I will choose 1 minute. Okay, I will choose another color so you can identify clearly the answer. 26311. 26311. So when you divide 52,623 divided by 2, see, looking at the last digit, that is not even number, so that means there is some remainder. Can you tell me the remainder?
Ma'am, remainder is 1.
1. Okay. All of you got the correct answer, all of you children? Let me see one time. Yes, children, have you got the answer when you divide by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the
Yes,
answer?
ma'am.
Remainder?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 5. Okay. And now, divisible. Okay. The next, you have to divide by 5. Here also, we can see that the last digit is 3. But we know when you divide by 5, the last digit should be 0 or 5 to get the remainder as 0. But here it's different. Madhav, completed. Please unmute and tell me the answer. 52,623. When you divide by 5,
1,000. 15,214.
not, this is not the answer. Okay, I will come back to you. Okay. Now, Anandesh.
No, ma'am. 15,254.
Some difference. Okay, Anandesh, can you say the answer?
Ma'am, I have incomplete.
Not completed. Okay.
Ma'am, my table was not correct, so I was correcting it.
Okay.
I completed only 2.
Completed till 2. Okay. Devak, please unmute and speak. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
10,524.
Okay, 10,524. So children, if you have doubt, I will write it on the side. So those who got mistake, please check whether, what's the problem? 52623. 52623 when you divide by 5. Okay. So those children who have completed, please check what's the answer. Okay, 1 into 5, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Bring down 2. Can you divide 2 by 5? No. So what you have to do? You have to place 0.
Can I mute?
Yes?
Can I mute?
Yes. Okay. So here, when you divide by, bring down 2, that 2 we cannot divide. So what you have to do? Keep 1 0. Then bring down 6. Now 26, you know 5 into 5 is 25. So when you do, it's 1, bring down 2. 5 2s are 10. 2. So here it's 3, 23. 5 into 4 is 20 and the remainder is 3. So here, when you divide the answer, it will be 1, 0, 5, 2, 4 and the remainder is 3. So, I think Devak answer is correct. Yes? Okay. So who told me the answer first?
Devak. Devak.
They got correct. Before that,
Madhav.
huh?
Madhav.
Madhav, please check where you got mistake. Okay. Did you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So children, all of you got question number. Question means the same. Divide by 5. Correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we got the correct answer.
Now next you have to divide the same number by 6. Okay. Start. Divide by 6. Same number, because in the library the books, it's not changing. What is changing? Only the number of rows. So you have to divide that number by 6. Fia got the answer, Fia? Divide by 6.
No, ma'am. I'm doing.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
doing.
Okay, complete. How many completed divide by 6? Can you raise your hand? Yes, I can see 2, 3 children. Yes, okay, complete. And those who have completed, you can check using divisibility rule also. Okay, divisibility rules you can expect, okay, when there will be remainder. If the given divisibility rules is not applicable, that means there will be some remainder. Or the books, when we arrange these books in rows of 2, 5, 6, 9 and 10, there will be some books remaining. Means we cannot keep that books in that rows of 2, because there is one remainder 1, and that means one book is left after arranging all the books in 2 rows. Next question, what is the meaning? Divide by 5 means the books we are going to arrange in 5 rows. When you arrange the books in 5 rows, there will be 3 books left. And again by 6. Now, Gautam, please unmute and tell me the answer for arranging the books when in 6 rows.
Ma'am, I was doing that.
Only. Yes, children, fast. Okay, Agnay, tell me the answer, Agnay. Yes, when you divide by 6.
Ma'am, I was doing only half.
Only half.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I finished everything.
Everything. Who is that?
Harsha.
Harsha. Okay, Harsha, tell me the answer for 52,623. When you divide by 6, what do you will get?
87,000 to 87,000.
8,000.
8,770.
Okay, very good. 8770. 8,770. And is there any remainder?
3.
3. The remainder is 3. Okay, children, please check. All of you got the answer. So we can hear. Okay, Harsha, we are going to check whether your answer is correct. Okay, so 52,623 when you divide by 6. Okay, so when you check 5, it's not possible. We cannot divide 5 because that number is less than 6. So we will take 52. So 8 into 6, 48. The remainder is 4. When you bring down 6, 46. So 46 divided by 6. We have 8 into 7. 6 into 7, that is 42. Bring down 2. We have again 8, 6 into 7, that is 42. Bring down, that is 3. So 3 we cannot divide, so you should keep 1 0 there. And the remainder is 3. Okay, so the answer Harsha told, that is correct. 8770. That is 8770, and the remainder is 3. Adinath, did you complete 52,623 by 9?
No, ma'am, doing.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Who?
Harsha.
Harsha, wait, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, I think that you can do that too. That means 52,623 divided by 9 and divided by 10 as homework. Yes? The time is still 2:20. Who said Bharadwaj told me that time is up? No, the time is still 2:20, now 2:17. So children, you can do this as finished.
Ma'am,
Okay,
finished.
finished?
Ma'am, it's finished. No, over. Ma'am, finished. Answer.
Okay, so we can finish that also.
Ma'am, I did it. 5,800.
Okay, I will ask. Anusri, can you tell me the answer for divide by 9? Unmute and speak. Not able to do, say. Yes, Gautam, tell me the answer. Gautam. When you divide by?
5,847.
Okay, 5,847. And is there any remainder? 5,847. So the remainder is 0. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. John, have you completed the last one, divide by 10? Yes, John? Not able to do? Okay, now who can tell me the answer, last one? Yes, children, you can tell me the answer. Yes.
Ma'am,
5,800.
5,262.
Okay, 5,262. And the remainder is? 3. Okay. So the answer is 5,262 and the remainder is 3. Okay, children? Now,
Ma'am, it is 52,620.
no. Okay. The answer is correct. 5,260. Okay. Yes, children? It's the time to finish now.
Okay,
And those who have not completed can complete this as homework. Okay,
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.